The goal of this introductory video is to get you familiar with the overall navigation of the Zaner360 Futures and Options Trading platform and its basic functions. We will also provide you with some tips and tricks to simplify its advanced features. In my opinion, the Zaner360 is a premier platform for the average retail trader. The Zaner360 offers a robust and flexible interface that will likely meet the needs of most traders. Not only is it free to use for our clients, but it's simple, efficient, and effective in enabling traders to execute positions in both futures and options on futures. Before we get started in talking about the platform, I just want to remind everybody there is a substantial risk of loss in trading futures and options. Trading is not suitable for everybody. If you are unfamiliar with who we are and what we do, we are DeCarley Trading. We're located in Las Vegas, Nevada. My name is Carly Garner. If you have any questions or comments about this video or are interested in trading futures and options with us, we'd love to hear from you. You can either give me a call at 1-866-790-TRADE, or you can send me an email at cgarner@decarleytrading.com. If you're on social media, you'll find us on Twitter using @CarlyGarner. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Along with being a broker, I am also an author. I've written 4 books on trading futures and options. The latest book is titled Higher Probability Commodity Trading. In a nutshell, it's everything that I've learned, both good and bad, over the decade-plus years that I've been in the trading business. I've also written 3 other books, Commodity Options, Trader's First Book on Commodities, and Currency Trading in the Forex and Futures Markets. We're going to start with the Zaner360 overview. When you first go to log into the Zaner360, you'll see a prompt for a username and password that looks similar to this. Once logged in, you'll see a quick start guide pop up, which will give you some basic information on getting started in the platform, some quick highlights, those sorts of things. If you uncheck this button, it'll no longer show on startup. We'll go ahead and close that out for now. The great thing about the Zaner360 platform is it is 100% customizable. You can make it look or feel any way you want. You can make it do just about anything you want. It's just a matter of learning the features and learning how to navigate the platform. Obviously, first place that we should start is the menu. If you go to File menu, you'll notice there are several options. Workspaces, which is going to be the basic layout of the platform. You can save workspaces. You can actually transfer them from computer to computer. Your global settings is not necessarily the layout, but the settings that you've built into your layout, such as price alerts, notifications, that sort of thing. And so every time that you enter or exit the platform, it's probably a good idea to save these 2 items. Now keep in mind, I recommend that people uncheck this box, which is Save at Close, and the reason being, a lot of people will accidentally make a change to their platform and they think a quick fix is to log out and then log back in and hope that it's back to the way it was before they made the accidental change. And if you have this automatically saving at close, then it'll save your changes, even the ones that you don't want. So I recommend that you unclick that and you manually go in and save it as you go. Most of the day-to-day activities that you'll be doing in the platform will come from the trading menu. You'll notice if you go to trading, you'll find order tickets. And order tickets can mean anything from a dome panel to standardized futures order entry, which is actually this gray box right here. You can also go to an option chain. An option chain is where you could enter an option order, although as we go on, you'll learn there's actually multiple ways to enter orders for both futures and options in this platform, but one way would be to open an option chain. You can also find position and order management information, your account summary, your positions, all of these sorts of things. Now, keep in mind, most of these things are built into the platform, into the layout that comes as a default with the platform. That said, we can customize it as we wish, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. But you'll notice a lot of these things that we would click on, for example, a dome panel or an option chain, are basically windows. And those windows can be embedded into the platform, as these are here, or they can be freely floating. And we'll show you all that as we proceed. Another nifty tool within the Zaner360 is the Hypothetical Margin Calculator. And again, we'll show you how to use this later, but I just want to introduce it. It will give you the ability to not only measure the margin that's being used in your account at this particular moment based on your portfolio, but you can actually take away positions or add positions to your portfolio to see what it would do to the margin before actually entering the orders. Quotes and charts is where you'd go if you wanted to pull up a new chart or a new quote board. Tools is the area that will help you navigate the platform. For example, you can go to symbol lookup, which we'll soon show you is the same thing as clicking this little magnifying glass here. There's all types of little nifty tricks and things in these menus that you're probably going to want to go through and just get yourself familiar with and see if there's anything in there that will help you navigate the markets as well as navigate the platform. There's also a reports tab that will allow you to pull up orders, and you can actually pull up historical orders as well, like what you've done over the last month or so. And you can see that in the form of daily fills, daily activity, so on and so forth. Research and ideas is a good place to find an economic calendar. You'll see that by default, the calendar lists all kinds of interesting things in all different countries, but you can simplify things. You can say, I want to only see things for today, or I want to filter, and you can filter by a keyword or a country. If at any time you need help with trading hours, contract margins, contract spec, that sort of thing, it's in the Help menu. You'll also find a Contact Us. Now, the Contact Us window will bring you to a support page for the Zaner. That said, we highly recommend that you contact DeCarley Trading first. You'll notice that our information is down here at the bottom. So before you call Zaner, please call us. I think we'd probably be able to give you better guidance on this particular video and that sort of thing. And of course, if you decide you're ready to open a live account, you can contact us and we'll provide the proper instructions, or you could just click on this link to open a live account and it'll bring you to the appropriate place.